All right, it's December 17th, and there's snow on the ground, snow on the roof. We are gonna get on the roof here. Got a rooftop unit, no heat, honey baked ham. See if I can find this rooftop. Up the ladder I go. Oh, it's over there somewhere. Ooh. I am gonna pick that one. I'm gonna pick that one because the power's off. Why is the power off? Gas is on. Let's see. Let's see. Do I have power? Oh, do I have power? What? Hold on a second. What? 210. Give me a ground. Give me a ground. Not getting a good ground. Well, there's power there. A little strange, but there's power there. Why was the power shut off to this thing? Oh shit. Oh, what a fucking train wreck. Holy crap. Huh? What the fuck is this? Ooh. It left me something. Awesome. Holy crap. What the heck is this bird's nest worth of freaking crap? That's why I love commercial so much. I hate it. I hate commercial. Absolutely hate it. Shit's been hodgepodge so many fucking times over. Oh, it needs a new belt. Look, what's this? Better belt than it was there. I got a feeling this fucking thing ain't gonna start. Not even gonna start looking to see what's wrong with this thing, unless this thing's got a... Oh, someone changed the heat exchanger. All right. Dang it. That looks like it probably could be for the AC or something. What the hell? What is... Our wire's not even hooked up. Oh. What's this off of? Where does that go? Oh, that goes there. Econo board. 2-position damper board. What year is this thing? Oh, there it is. R and W1 has jumped out. Let's see. Alright, you guys on? You guys are on. Well, I started looking at this, believe it or not, I have a wiring diagram and it's legible. And you look, there's a pressure switch back there. I've never seen anything on a carrier rooftop with a pressure switch with a hose rigged up back there. So I started looking at the diagram. I'm like, I don't even see it on the diagram. So luckily I had one. I got a rollout switch, I got a limit switch, and then I got a centrifugal switch. Centrifugal switch is supposed to be there. Rollout switch is bypassed. So, and I think they're using this. They're using this maybe as a rollout switch. I don't know. I think that's what they're using it for. But I called the boss, shot him a picture, and he tells me put the cover back on and walk away. Because sometimes you just gotta walk away. I mean, when I got up here, the thing was half apart. Panels off. Someone's been up here trying to fix it, couldn't fix it, so then they call us. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna walk away. Because this is, I mean, it's just freaking ridiculous. Let's find out when this thing's from. Probably early 90s, maybe. Don't even know. There's a tag, don't even know. See if I got anything on the inside. $2.8 through 30, blah blah blah. 6 week. Nope, I got nothing. I got no model, no serial. And we're gonna put it back the way we found it, because the boss doesn't want to deal with it. Because once you start dealing with this and you get your hands in there, you're married to it. And this is something you don't want to be married to. Sometimes you need to walk away. You need to walk away. And that's what we're gonna do today. We are gonna walk. I mean, it's freaking ridiculous. Put some screws back in this thing and call it done. Why is the fan running? Why is the fan running? Oh, that board's before even LEDs. Wow, this is a special treat this morning. What do we got over here? Any economizer? Nothing. All right, let me figure out what's what. Well, when the boss says go, you go. I sent him a picture of all that train wreck of a mess, and he's like, put the doors back on and call it a day. That unit had a pressure switch on it, which was rigged in instead of a centrifugal switch. And don't mind me, I'm watching this guy come down the street and his tire's about to fall off. Entertainment. But yeah, some of the stuff you just have to walk away from. You gotta know when to call it, because getting into someone else's train wreck, not a good thing. Because as soon as you try to fix it or order parts for it or anything, you are married to that thing, and they will call you and call you and call you to fix this thing. So it's better off to just cut your losses and call it a day at that point. That damn thing needed to be replaced 15 years ago, if not longer. So that's it for this one. It's just time to walk away from it, and we're just not gonna pursue it or do anything with it. We're gonna give them a price on a new rooftop, and that's about it. Then we'll go from there. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.